Welcome to Elegant Essence Seminars, your go-to source for all things essential oils. We're here to guide you on a journey of discovery, exploring the potent, therapeutic world of essential oils. Our mission is to provide you with insightful, engaging, and educational content that demystifies these natural wonders. From their historical use across various cultures to their modern applications in holistic health, we'll cover it all. Our channel is dedicated to helping you unlock the vast potential of essential oils, whether you're a seasoned user or just beginning your aromatic adventure. Every week, we'll delve into different aspects of essential oils, their benefits, methods of use, safety precautions, and much more. We'll also share DIY recipes, tips, and tricks to help you incorporate these oils into your daily life. So whether you're looking for natural solutions for pain relief, anxiety, skincare, or simply to uplift your mood, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of essential oils. Our first topic, essential oils and pain relief. Let's get started. Have you ever wondered if there's a natural solution to that nagging pain you feel? Welcome to the fascinating world of essential oils, potent elixirs that might just hold the key to your pain relief. In our fast-paced modern world, pain has become a constant companion for many. It's an unwelcome guest, intruding on our daily lives, making even the simplest tasks feel like monumental challenges. From the dull ache of a strained muscle to the piercing sting of a migraine, pain is a universal language we all understand. Now imagine if there were a natural, effective way to address this pain, to soothe it, to ease it. That's where essential oils come in. These are not just sweet-smelling liquids. They're potent extracts, distilled from the very essence of plants, carrying their therapeutic properties in every drop. Essential oils have been used for centuries, across various cultures, for their medicinal and therapeutic benefits. They are nature's gift, providing us with a safe, natural alternative to synthetic medications, which often come with a host of side effects. The beauty of essential oils lies in their versatility. They can be used for a multitude of ailments, from calming anxiety to boosting immunity, and yes, relieving pain. Whether it's lavender for its calming effects or peppermint for its refreshing kick, each essential oil carries its unique properties, ready to assist in your journey to pain relief. But exactly do these oils work? Well, when applied topically, essential oils can penetrate the skin, reaching the affected area to provide relief. When inhaled, they can influence the limbic system, our emotional center, which can help to reduce pain perception. Remember, essential oils are potent, and they must be used with care. Proper dilution and application are key to harnessing their benefits safely. So are you ready to explore this aromatic world of natural pain relief? Join us as we delve into the world of essential oils and how they could be your answer to pain relief. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are essential oils? Good question. Essential oils are highly concentrated plant extracts that capture the plant's scent and flavor, or essence. They are obtained through several methods, including steam distillation and cold pressing. The aromatic compounds in these oils are so potent that a single drop can have powerful effects. There is a vast array of essential oils out there, each with their unique properties. Lavender, for example, is renowned for its calming and relaxing effect, making it a popular choice for stress relief. Eucalyptus, on the other hand, is known for its invigorating and refreshing aroma that can clear the mind and promote focus. Then we have peppermint, an oil celebrated for its stimulating and uplifting properties. These oils are not a new fad. They have been used for thousands of years in various cultures for their medicinal and health benefits. The ancient Egyptians were known to use aromatic oils in their religious ceremonies, while in India, essential oils have been a cornerstone of Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. The therapeutic properties of essential oils come from their chemical constituents, which can have effects ranging from anti-inflammatory to analgesic, antiseptic to calming. These effects can be harnessed in a variety of ways, such as through inhalation, topical application, or even ingestion, although the latter should be done under professional guidance due to potential risks. However, it's important to remember that essential oils are potent, and their use should always be done with care. They should be diluted before application to the skin, as their high concentration can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some people. Furthermore, while essential oils can offer a natural alternative for managing certain health conditions, they should not replace conventional medicine. Always consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating them into your wellness routine. Now that we understand what essential oils are, let's explore how they can help alleviate pain. You may be surprised to learn that essential oils have a wide range of pain-relieving properties. Let's delve into the world of these wonder elixirs, starting with lavender. Lavender oil is renowned for its calming and relaxing properties. But did you know that it's also a potent pain reliever? Indeed, it's been used for centuries to alleviate headaches, muscle aches, and even joint pain. The secret lies in its components, linalool acetate and linalool, which are known to have analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties. Next, we have peppermint oil, a refreshing and invigorating essential oil that is not just for freshening breath or flavoring candies. It's a powerful ally in the fight against pain. Peppermint oil contains a high concentration of menthol, a compound that can help alleviate muscle pain and headaches by inducing a cooling sensation and improving blood flow. And let's not forget eucalyptus oil. This oil, with its distinctive and refreshing scent, is a popular choice for those suffering from respiratory issues. But beyond clearing your sinuses, eucalyptus oil is also an effective pain reliever. It's packed with eucalyptol, a compound known for its strong analgesic and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe muscle pain and arthritis. Last but certainly not least is frankincense oil. This oil, often associated with ancient rituals and religious ceremonies, is a potent anti-inflammatory and can be particularly effective for chronic conditions like arthritis. These oils, along with many others, possess natural compounds that interact with your body's own pain and inflammation mechanisms. They work by reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and triggering positive responses from your body's nervous system. But remember, while these oils can offer relief, they are not a magic cure-all. They should be used as part of a balanced approach to pain management that may also include physical therapy, exercise, and a healthy diet. Understanding how these oils work is the first step, but knowing how to use them effectively is equally important. So how can you incorporate these powerful oils into your routine for pain relief? Well, there are 3 common ways that essential oils can be used to alleviate pain: through topical application, inhalation, or by taking a therapeutic bath. Let's delve into each of these methods and how you can use them safely and effectively. First, let's discuss topical application. This is when the oil is applied directly onto the skin where the pain is localized. However, it's crucial to remember that essential oils are highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation if not properly diluted. To dilute an essential oil, mix a few drops with a carrier oil, such as coconut or jojoba oil. For instance, if you're experiencing muscle pain, you could mix a few drops of lavender oil with a tablespoon of coconut oil, and then gently massage the mixture into the affected area. Next up is inhalation. This is a great option if you're dealing with headaches or migraines. For this method, you would add a few drops of the essential oil to a diffuser or a steaming bowl of water. Then, lean over the bowl or sit near the diffuser, taking deep breaths in and out to inhale the aromatic compounds. Peppermint and eucalyptus oils are particularly effective for this purpose. Lastly, we have the therapeutic bath method. This is a great way to reap the benefits of essential oils while also relaxing your whole body. Simply add about 10 drops of your chosen essential oil to a warm bath and soak for at least 15 minutes. Lavender and chamomile oils are wonderful choices for a soothing, pain-relieving bath. Now, it's important to mention that not all essential oils are suitable for all methods. For example, some oils may cause skin irritation and should not be used for topical application. Always do a patch test before applying any new oil to your skin, and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Additionally, while essential oils can provide relief from many types of pain, they should not be used as a replacement for professional medical advice or treatment. If you're dealing with chronic or severe pain, it's crucial to seek help from a healthcare provider. To sum up, essential oils can be a wonderful addition to your pain management routine. They can offer relief from various types of pain, from headaches to muscle aches, and provide a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. However, it's vital to use them safely and responsibly. Remember, safety is paramount when using essential oils. Always dilute and never apply directly to the skin. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what essential oils are to how they can help alleviate pain. Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've delved into, consolidating our knowledge on this fascinating topic. We started by introducing essential oils, those concentrated liquids containing the aroma compounds from plants. We dove into how they are not oils in the traditional sense, but rather the essence of the plant, its life force if you will, captured in a bottle. Then, we navigated through the vast variety of essential oils, each with its unique properties. We focused on those specifically related to pain relief, such as lavender, renowned for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties, frankincense, known for its ability to ease chronic stress and relieve pain, and chamomile, hailed for its soothing and anti-inflammatory benefits. We explored how these oils work, touching on their ability to interact with our body's own systems, particularly the nervous system. We learnt that when used appropriately, these oils can offer a natural side effect-free way to manage both acute and chronic pain, making them a valuable tool in our personal health arsenal. Taking it a step further, we discussed how to use these oils for optimal pain relief. This included methods such as topical application, where the oil is applied directly to the skin over the painful area, and aromatherapy, where the oil's aroma is inhaled to stimulate brain functions. But, and this is crucial, we also emphasized the importance of safety. Essential oils are potent substances that should be used with caution. Always dilute them with a carrier oil before topical use, and never ingest them without the guidance of a healthcare professional. So there we have it, an overview of the wonderful world of essential oils and their potential for pain relief. Remember, nature has provided us with these powerful tools for our wellness. Use them wisely, and you may just find the relief you've been searching for. Before we conclude this seminar, I want to thank you for being part of our journey into the world of essential oils. Your thirst for knowledge and desire to explore natural solutions for pain relief is what drives us to create these videos. Our aim at Elegant Essence Seminars is to empower you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your health and wellness. If you found this video informative and helpful, please consider showing your support. How? It's simple. Give this video a thumbs up if it has provided value to you. Your likes help us understand what content resonates with you, and it helps more people discover our videos. Also, consider subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos. And trust me, we have a plethora of exciting content coming your way. We'll be delving deeper into the world of essential oils, exploring their uses for various health concerns, and even revealing some of the latest research in this field. So click that subscribe button and be a part of our community. Thank you once again for joining us today. This is Elegant Essence Seminars, wishing you health, happiness, and a life filled with the beautiful essence of nature.